I don't know if you guys can see it, but where the moon is, it's still there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it yet, but then I'm going to be headed out to the mountains, which is on the right side. Yeah, the ones that you see in the background there, the huge mountain, that's where we're going to go today. Looks like I ran out of road. I need to find another way to get there. I mean, and there's no road here, but then still there needs to be at least a path. There's a huge ditch in front of me, so definitely need to find another way around it. I made it so far. Good morning, guys. So you must be wondering where I am. There's no network. There's nothing over here. But then that's the point. I wanted to show you guys a really beautiful place, middle of nowhere, yet close by. If you get into trouble and you want to get out pretty quick, right? So if you are a photo enthusiast, want to do a sunrise, bam, the sun's that side rising. You want to do a moonset, bam, the moon's. I can't find the moon, but then it's there. It's there. Where is it on the screen? Can I find it? Yeah, but it's there. Right, that's it. It's right there. Where is it? Right. That's the moon. Tiny little speculum. That's the moon. So again, it's a beautiful place for photography. If you want to try to do some time lapse and all that stuff, you can actually, if you have a 4x4 car, you can come in. If not, you might have to walk in for about 4 kilometers, but it's a beautiful place. I'm actually going to try seeing if I can get on top of one of the mountains which are there in the background. Small one for starters maybe, and then try to get on top of the big one over there. Okay, this is what I have here for you guys. It's a really beautiful place, right? If you're a photo enthusiast or a nature's enthusiast, I can hear the birds chirping, no traffic, really beautiful, really peaceful. Maybe if you have a 4x4 SUV, you might think about coming over here and camping. Let me just show you the sun. Let me just show you the sunrise, right? You can actually see the sun there. That's there, the sun. It's rising. Oh, it's an amazing sight. I mean, if you live in Bangalore and you work like me in a company, looking at the sun and the moon is like a luxury. Most of the times you get in, the sun's already there. When you get home, the moon's like down, right? Okay, the sun's already risen, but then it's like playing peekaboo with the clouds. It's just coming out. So this is a very, very beautiful place. Hey guys, thank you for watching my vlog. If you're not subscribed yet, bang, click on the subscribe button. It's right there. If you want to watch the last 2 videos that I've uploaded, I put them up here and here. And of course, my favorite playlist, the Superbike Weekend, it's right up here. You can check that out. Don't forget to smash the like button on the way out.